Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to the device. I can see I already have one right here. There's my packaging from it. Now just getting straight up, this is for a different phone. It's actually for Redmi Note 9S, which you can see right here, but because it's a lot of the brands buy in that case about displays from Samsung, a lot of those are basically interchangeable, so there we go. Anyway, as you can see, this is basically the correct size, almost. I don't have anything closer for this device, so this is what I'm going to be using. It's covering the display almost entirely, so for me it's good enough. Obviously, if you bought a case for this, specifically this device, then it will fit a little bit better on the display, and because of that I believe it also has a little hole punched camera in the actual tempered glass, so you will most likely need to accommodate how you apply your tempered glass to that. I'll just take the tempered glass on top of the camera and won't really bother with it, but obviously if you have a hole punched for the little selfie, what I recommend doing when you're applying it is to basically put it just top side first on the display, then make sure that it aligns correctly with the selfie, and also that it's aligned right correctly here, and then pinching the display from sides, you'll drop it and make sure that it is positioned correctly by just feeling the bezels of the phone and then dropping it. Just make sure that the camera is correct, and then just pinch it here with the bezel and it should drop in correctly. So anyway, that being said, you can now proceed to actually preparing to apply it. Now, as you've seen in the little case, I have the wet and dry wipes. Now you can use those if you want to. Sometimes the wet wipe is already dried up, so if you encounter your wet wipe not being so wet, then just throw it out. It's absolutely useless. And overall, those little wipes are so small that they're more of a hassle to use them rather than convenience. So what I will be using is a microfiber cloth, which just works way better than these tiny little wipes. So to get started with the display, you will want to clean off any kind of dirt that might be on your display. So primarily just pay attention to fingerprints and the dust and any kind of like weird stuff that might be on it. Now at this moment, once you wipe off the fingerprints and stuff like that, if you see some dust settle on your display, don't worry about it just yet. Just keep your microfiber cloth close. And what we're gonna do is peel off the protective layer, have our glass ready to be applied, then grab our microfiber cloth, give it a couple gentle passes on the display just to get rid of the dust that might have settled, and immediately after that we're gonna apply it. So let's do that right now. And there we go. As you can see, it's already gluing itself. Now if it didn't apply itself all the way, as you can see right here, just press it down and there we go. And as you can see, our tempered glass is now fully applied. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.